Hi guys, I'm K9 Crooner Finn Austin there, and guess what I made? It's really beautiful. I'm gonna show you what I made. Look at what I just made. I made this. I made a singing lily as a Scottie dog. I made a singing lily from Caillou. Yep, so I made a singing lily toy from Caillou, and it's a singing Scottie dog, and I made her blue dress and her collar with her name on it, and her face, and her little ribbon here, this side of her hair. Here's her yellow hair, and I made a press here button, but I did not tape the button. So, yep, so I made a press here button, and she sings Hound Dog from Elvis Presley. So I'm gonna push the button. Well, her head is gonna bend. Here we go. Here we go. So I made a singing Caillou lily toy as a Scottie dog. So she's really cute, and I also made her tail. She's really cute. And these are the two dogs that I made. I made these two Rosies from Caillou, but this one is a Rosie with this one's Rosie with a hat and her I don't know what those things are, her little ribbon and the back of the side here. That's what Scottish Terriers wear. This. Yep, so I made a Rosie from Caillou with a hat, a bow, and the side of her back, and I also made her tail. And I also made this one. I made those two before. So this is the moving mouth Rosie. So I made her orange hair, her moving mouth, her face, and her button. And I also made her little dog tail. So this one sings Raindrops Keep Falling on My Head, and that one sings Mambo No 5. Mambo No 5. Yep, so I didn't know what this song is for. I'm gonna check on YouTube and see what song is this. Is that song not Mambo No 5? The song Mambo No 5 is from Lou Bega. So this song is from Lou Bega, Mambo No 5. Yep, so this Rosie sings Mambo No 5 from Lou Bega. Yep, and this one's in this Lily dog sings Hound Dog from Elvis Presley. So this is the toy that I made today. So goodbye and have a good day. And also have a happy Easter, everyone. Have a happy Easter. I'll see you in Easter. Okay? Goodbye and a happy Easter.